Hey guys, Mike was Gettin Greasy Garage. So I'm back from vacation now, and figured I'd show you guys some of the stuff that came in while I was gone for the 59 Ford Fairlane project that's coming up. Got some Sanderson headers, made in America even. So 59 Ford Fairlane is kind of an odd car. It's a 1 year only kind of thing, and putting a 429 in that car has its own set of issues. So I called up Sanderson. I've always wanted to use their stuff. They are a little bit pricier, but I've always heard good things. So what I was looking for was their cast iron manifold type headers. They didn't have them for the application that I'm looking for. And I talked to a very nice woman there, and she said that order these ones. If they don't fit, then put them right back in the box. Call them up. They'll give me a shipping label, and I can send them right back for a full refund or exchange. Now I really wanted to get these in like a black coating, but not knowing if they're going to work for the application or if I'm going to have to slightly modify them. I didn't want to damage a coating, especially if I have to return them. So anyway, I'll show you guys one of these here. So here they are. I got the plain steel ones. These are for the 429. They're definitely handmade, not machine made, or even look like they're machine made like some of the other stuff out there. Here's your Sanderson. So this would be passenger side, and then of course come off of here and dump. It does come with collectors. The one thing I did like about these is that you don't use gaskets. They actually recommend that you use high temp silicone and glue them on. So I mean, that says something for their product, that you don't have to mess with gaskets. Let's see if I can get the other one out of here without creating a problem. Where are you at? Let me set one down here and we'll get the other side out. Okay, so here we have the driver's side. Again, got your Sanderson tag on there. Apparently this has the right drop to clear the steering box. We'll see. But I think if these do work out, I'll send these in for a black powder coat, because the engine's going to be painted black. It'll just look a lot nicer. But everything, I mean, these things are definitely paid attention to the quality on stuff. You know, they're plain steel, so they're not meant to be pretty. And I don't know, might just leave them plain. But definitely good welds. And then any little imperfections, as soon as you put RTV on there, we'll seal them up. So anyway, guys, just kind of a sneak peek of some of the stuff you're going to see on the 59 Fairlane. We got Fast Easy EFI. Oh God, I got a whole pile of stuff. Right there in that box is a PST suspension rebuild kit. So I mean, there's all kind of stuff for this car. But everybody buys other brands of headers. You don't see these super commonly, so I wanted to show you guys that. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more videos, and stay tuned for this upcoming build. Still working on the Black Silverado, and thank you for your support for the channel, and we're going to keep growing here. Alright, guys.